What's up, guys? So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can create a flight design using your smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is just to put in your ratio. Don't click on this image size, and then just need to put in 4:5, and you will now delete this. Then you will now make a gradient rectangle. Give it the gradient. Do it like this. Then adjust this to this side. So we're going to be using this type of color. I'll show you guys the color. Let me just. So you can just make this a little bit whiter, and let me display the color. So it is the color FFDEF, and this other one FFCE8. So guys, the next thing you need to do right now is just to add this rectangle. So this is the rectangle, as you can see. Just use the gradient, position it to the left side. So I'm just think of a color I'll use. So I think I'm going to use, let's just go with dark brown. Just look for brown color. Okay. I'll just use this other side, and also adjust to this side. So I'll just take it a bit up, draw it down. So let me display the colors. So this is 3F to 919, and this is 3310709. So I'll just save all this, and I think this is good. So the next thing right now is to duplicate it again, take it behind. Then we're going to use another gradient color. I'll be using this color, and this one also. So before you, let me just show you guys how it is. So I don't know, but I think this one is good. Then just lock this. So let me display the color code. So for this, you can see the color CC9630, and then you can see this other color, which is 6D5118. So I'll just save all this, and then I'll just using my pick to pick all of them. Just a bit down. And then what you're going to do is just to create a rectangle like this. I use the radius. So reduce opacity, give her the stroke, maintain everything, and then reduce it. Then the color we used, so we just select any fine sharp color, which is light color like this, and then use your relative positioning. Position it using the position tool. Everything is already at the center. And draw it, and it's going to be like this. So you can also put your contact details. So what I'm going to do, let me just adjust it a bit, and then I'll just save this, and I'll just go to write contact us. Then I'm just using this tool, this gradient. I'll make this one brighter. I think this is good. So I'm just going to look for a very good font. So let me check if there's any available Montserrat we use. I'm using semi-bold from Montserrat. Reduce this. I'll reduce it again. Let's just make it, position it there. And then I just lock this. So what I'm going to do right now, just using this, and I'm going to write any number. So let me just put any number here. Just remove. and then I'll just use Montserrat board. Straw board is okay. I'll just need to position it too. Yeah, so I think this is good. Then I'll just use my special color, which is F1, 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 and I save it. So this is color. So if you have reached this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram community so you get updated anytime I drop new videos like this. So let me just save my project. So what I'm going to do right now is to import the model I'm going to use, so we'll know where other positioning will be. So I've already put in the contact details. I'll set out the layout, how it's going to be, and let's just import the get our order everything, the main model for this picture. So guys, this is the main model we're using. So I don't know, maybe you guys can use another one, or let me just check. You can also use this. I'm going to leave both of them in the comment section below, or the description box. You can do it to check it out. So anyone that works well for you. So I just going to be doing an A and B testing to check which one works well. So I like the way she's holding the products because it tells us what they're advertising. But without that, you can just like get another product. If you don't want to use this girl, you can use this one, get another product, put it at the front of this girl. Let me just explain. Like you can just put the product around here. There can be product, yes, while she's now facing here. But notwithstanding, anyone want to use. So I don't think I'll use this because I want the product to show. So since I don't have any product right now, I just like the way she holds the product. So it will be best we flip out to the other side and we use this product. So what you're going to do right now is to put her in the middle. It's going to be like this. Yes, so when it's like this, you can just try to like hold it a little bit and then hold everything together. Then you can now bring it down. So with that, there can be space above her head also, because I want to also write something. So I will just save the changes. Then I'm just going to add another image at the back. I'll just use the radius tool. Then I just try to create something, make it a little bit bright. Don't make this one also. Take it to the back. No, it's not good like this, so I think it's better. I think it's better this way. I think it's better this way. So I can just lock this, bring her a bit down. This is good. So we can now start putting our layers. I just adjust this, just bring this here, and then I put it at the back, and then you can use your gradient tool and actually do it like this, or you can just interchange both. It's just going to give you more of this kind of color, and then you can just like add more black to it or more dark. So I can just lock this right now, then adjust this. I'm trying to find a little bit of space where everything will sit on, and also create space for other text. So I think this works. I can just lock the layer here, then I can just use this and use this gradient. I'm looking for a brown color. So I think I'll just go with this. I don't need design to look more blurry. So I think this will do. So I can just like lock this right now. Then I can now create some. These are going to write in their services. So I'll just zoom in because of this tiny circle. So I can now bring this down. So what next is that you are going to now like merge this before you duplicate. So I'll just merge this. I'll now duplicate it. Just put everything at the back, so it can give you that uniformity. So I think this is okay. I cannot take it to the back and lock this. or I think I can still put another one underneath it. So I think I just made a mistake. I think it is the line that should go. Okay, I think it's the line that should go. Then this one can remain. Then I can just lock this and save these changes. So when I do the changes, I can now start writing what they offer and their services. So the first one I'm going to write now is that one up above. I can say buy in bulk and sell at end more. Then I can take it to the back. I can now use this space or line aligning tool. So I don't know if they can see this, but I'll just do it like this. And then I can just take this. Okay. So while that is done, I can now move to the second side. So this is just a simple flyer. It's not really complicated like that. It's just for you to know where to place your text, then position everything well. So most times designs like this will just look like they will not actually give you what you want. So I'm just trying to see whether it will actually give us a good result. So I can just put this. And then I just lock this layer. Then duplicate another one again. Then I can just write in and then I think I'll just using the anyone maybe semi bold or the Montserrat. So for the second I'll just write it like this. So I think this is okay. I just put everything in this position. Then I can just lock all this layer. So I can just position this a little bit. So you have something like this. So I just feel like touching this woman's face a little bit. Or let me just see how this one will look. So that's what I was telling you guys. I keep saying it. I actually don't know which one to use yet. But if anyone that looks good to you, you can say it in the comment section below. So I'll just leave the both of them. You guys can check it out. Adjust this. So like I said before, I would have used this woman, but because I don't have the product at the front, so you can get the product at the front. Like you guys know, we're just testing it out. So I think I'll just go with this. And then I'm just going to write this. I'll just look for a good font. So I'll just use this kind of color for them. So I'm just like picking out colors. Anyone that works fine. Anyone that doesn't, then we adjust it. Then what we are going to do right now to give that kind of sharp shape, we take this here. You reduce the opacity, and then you have that kind of shape. And I cannot take the line spacing here, and then I cannot bring it. Then I can just copy from any place here. The same font I use for the wool fragrance, I can also use it for them. I can just try this. We supply for private jobs and boutiques. I think this is good. Then I cannot try it to earn steady income. Okay. Then I can also use in the line spacing. And just take this up. So this is how it's going to be. So I can copy this right now. And I'm just going to say So I can just use this kind of logo. So guys, I think the design is done and dusted. So if you've been turned for the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video. Also don't forget to join my Telegram community, because the sources of the design is just going to be posted in the description box, so you can just check it out. And I think I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe.